What is up, you guys? Okay, today I'm going to be doing a requested song. It's called Michl, Michl, M-I-C-H-L, Better With You. Alright, I'm not entirely sure how you pronounce the name, but this song was requested to me by Ankero TV. Alright, so thank you very much for that. So I'm going to show you two different ways to play this. One, if you're a little bit more of a beginner, it does flow with the song, it's a lot easier to play. But I'll also teach you the way that it should be played as well with chords. Okay, so your guitar is in standard tuning and you do not require a capo for this. Okay, so the simpler way to play this, okay, is by using basic bar chords, okay? Even power chords you can get away with, but basic bar chords. Okay, so the first shape is up here. Okay, so what you're going to want to do is take your first finger, you're going to bar that 6th fret, alright? And what I mean by bar, alright, you got to press down on every single string here, alright, with this first finger. Second of all, you're going to bring your third finger, and you're going to place that onto the 5th string on your 8th fret, okay, like so. And your 4th finger underneath onto your 4th string, okay, so these two. And then this middle finger is going to come down here onto your 3rd string on the 7th, right, like so. So that's that shape, alright? And if you keep a hold of that shape doesn't change. It's just the position on which the guitar does. Okay, so that's your first kind of... Okay? And then you're going to take that same shape and you're going to move it down to the 3rd, alright? And then down an entire string. Okay, so it's gone from up here. Okay, you're going to slide that on down to the 3rd and move every single finger down one. Okay? Okay, so... Okay, and then you're going to take the same shape and you're going to slide it on up to the 5th. Okay, so far. And then you're going to take that shape from here and just move every finger up one string to there. Okay, so from here to your 3rd, to your 5th, and then up to the 5th again. It's already starting to sound like it, you see what I mean? Very simple way to play it if you're a beginner. Okay, and then you have the little... Alright, so to play that, you're going to take your 2nd finger, and you're going to place it onto the 6th fret of your 1st string, down here. Then to the 5th. Okay, then you're going to go with your 6th on your 2nd string. And then your 5th on your 3rd string. Okay, up here again. Okay. And that just repeats throughout the whole song. Alright, and it carries on. Okay, so if you're a little bit more advanced and you're quite comfortable with your chord changes and everything like that, I'm now going to show you how to play it using chords. Okay, so this is your B flat. So all you're going to do is take that same shape that I showed the guys to begin with, and you're going to play that here. Okay, so in order to do that, you're going to bar your 1st fret from the 5th string down, place your 3rd and 4th fingers onto the 3rd fret on your 3rd and 4th strings, and then your 2nd finger is going to come in onto your 2nd fret of your 2nd string. Okay? Okay, that's the 1st chord. Next chord is a C. Okay, now to play a C, take your 1st finger, place it onto the 1st fret of your 2nd string. Your 2nd finger goes onto your 2nd fret of your 4th string, and your 3rd finger goes onto your 3rd fret of your 5th string. Like so. Right, that is your C right there. Okay, so far. And next, you have a D. Okay, playing a D, you're going to take your 1st finger, place it onto the 2nd fret, 3rd string, 2nd finger underneath on the 2nd fret on your 1st string, and then your 3rd finger comes onto your 3rd fret of your 2nd string. Like so. Alright, but when you're playing this, try and only play your 5th, 4th, and your 3rd, alright? Get that kind of tone, alright? Alright, now next, your final chord for this is an A minor. So if you take that C shape that you just had, alright, for when you're playing the C, and all you're going to do is take that 3rd finger and move it underneath that second finger. So it is on the second fret of your third string, like so. So there's your C, and all you're doing is taking that finger and sliding it on underneath there. That's your A minor. Okay, and then the little stays the same. So. And that just repeats for the whole song, all right? It is that simple. Okay, so hopefully for you beginners, you've now got a method where you can play it using your bar chords, all right, and power chords, and then eventually work your way up to using these. You can do a combination of both if that's easier. I just find, personally, I find using the power chords and bar chords easier because you're already up here on your final note to go down to that, rather than trying to go from your A minor to and back to that beat. It's quite a quick change. But that's just my personal preference. But anyway, I do hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys, and like I say, a massive shout out to Ankero TV for requesting this. All right, I am going to be working my way through my request videos today. I'm going to try and get as many tutorials up as I can and get this smashed out. All right, I know you guys have been waiting a long time, so I'm going to try and do that for you. But anyway, if you haven't already, please make sure you hit that subscribe button down there, guys, and give this video a thumbs up. And I look forward to seeing you all in my next video. Take care. Bye bye.